the box that was sent to me today by Susan Robinson. I'm going to take the bits out so that you guys can see what's in the box, because it just can't fit on my desk. So yeah, so I'll be right back. So guys, I've just opened the box, and can you see how beautifully it is covered on the inside? I really love this paper, Susan. I love it so much. Honestly, oh my goodness. And look at this beautiful, beautiful tissue paper, guys. I love it, Susan. You guys know that I love anything shiny, sparkly, all that kind of thing, glitter. Yep, and I absolutely love this tissue paper. I'm going to just remove it out of the way so we can see what's inside. And then I'm going to take the pieces out, I think, one by one. So guys, I'm doing it freehand. It's not on a stand, so forgive me if this is a wobbly picture, but I'm just not sure the best way to film it because it can't fit on my desk. So guys, OMG, oh my gosh, guys, look what's in here. I absolutely love this. So we've got the card, and I'm going to, oh, okay, it's already open so I can do it. Guys, I'm so not used to this. Oh my goodness, look at that. These are the moments we'll look back on with joy. Oh, it is so chic. Oh my goodness. So I'm going to open up the card. It says, to Cheryl, thank you so much for doing the swap with me. Hope you like everything I have made for you. Stay safe. Crafty hugs, Sandra. Oh, sorry, Sandra. I keep calling you Susan. So sorry. Her name's Sandra. And she just says that there's a certain box and it has 4 compartments. And she doesn't have a YouTube channel, which is unfortunate, because I know she's done, and she says, I know she's done a swap with Handmade by Abigail, and her stuff is just so beautiful, guys. And she said that she really loves watching my channel and all of you lovely crafty ladies as well. She said she learned so much from us. Thank you so much, Sandra. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for being a part of my channel, and I'm sure the ladies that you comment on are thankful to you as well. So we're going to jump right in, guys. I'm going to try and do it freehand, but if it gets too complicated, I'll remove the box and then we'll do it one by one. I don't know, we'll wing it. We'll see how we go. Because yeah. So the first thing that's on top, we've got some ephemera. Oh my gosh, we've got so many die cuts in here. And she's done a beautiful bag topper, and she's just packaged it up really beautifully, guys. It's all color coordinated. Sorry to keep jumping from thing to thing, there's just so much to look at. So this one seems to have like tags and dies in it. This one is jumping out at me as well. Sorry, gone too close. I'm trying to look at it. She's made some absolutely beautiful embellishments. These are handmade paper embellishments, and again she's got a beautiful bag topper, and it's just so, I don't know, is this painted? She's done some painted paper, or is it printed paper there? And these little punched flowers. I don't know how I'm going to use them, Sandra, because I'm just going to want to keep them in my stash. And this one as well, guys. These are beautiful. And then we've got some more ephemera over here. So yeah, we've got some more flowers, and these have been stacked up, you can see from the side. And again, a beautiful bag topper, so color coordinated. The colors are so lovely for spring and summer. These are just absolutely beautiful. I just love it. So guys, full disclosure, I have not sent my swap yet to Sandra. I've already emailed her, but guys, this week, if you know, this past few weeks, the stuff that I've been sorting out. But yeah, I'm going to be sending her one next week. I just love this. It's got the butterflies. I think these are sort of, are these belly bands? Or they might be bag toppers, because they seem to be folded over on the side. It's beautiful. I don't know where to start next. Oh my goodness, Sandra. I don't don't know where to start. Guys, I think I'm going to have to now go to my stand because they're bigger boxes inside. And I don't think I'll be able to take them out and hold the camera at the same time. All right, so I've just taken these bits out, guys, and then we'll go through those. So she's made these lovely boxes. And they've been embellished with this flower on the top, and then this just slides out, and then oh, it's a tissue box. Isn't that cute, guys? A lovely way to just gift. Oh, I love it. I absolutely love this, guys. And I'm just, if I'm quiet, it's because I'm just, oh my goodness, she's made a little satchel. Can you see that? And then she's used some dots here. Oh, so it's like a little storage thing, a little gift box. And she put some tissue. Oh, okay. She's made some beautiful, they look like paper clips. Oh my gosh, look at this. I don't know if this is a punch or a die cut, but look at these, guys. I've not seen these before. If you've seen them, tell me where you get them from. This one says sweetheart. This one says love. And she's cut them out in silver. So they look, I really thought these were real paper clips through the paper, guys. But look at those. They are so pretty. And then you've got these little photo frames, I think these are. They're gorgeous. Another little box here. So this one says it's a beautiful day. And then it lifts up. Oh, guys, you know that I love candles. These smell beautiful. It's got a kind of clean, florally kind of smell. I'm going to have these on my desk when I'm crafting. Thank you, Sandra. Do what you love what you do. These are such lovely boxes, and I'm going to reuse them. And she's put a pen in it, and then you've got this kind of orb. It's sort of like, I can't think of the word, you know what I mean. Not holographic, but I can't think of the colour. But it's beautiful. Thank you, Sandra. I'm into making sort of like boxes and things like that. So yeah. And then we've got some more ephemera here. And these are beautiful little ice creams, and they've got flowers and lace. Oh, I love these vintage ice. Well, it's a posy of flowers, isn't it? I'm saying ice creams, but they're a posy of flowers. And then you've got, again, the lovely bag toppers. And it's beautiful. I don't want to open it out. This one, I don't want to open it out. I might actually just display this one. What do you think? Would that would be okay, wouldn't it? If I didn't use them, I just displayed them, because I think this just looks really pretty, like a little picture. Or maybe I would attach it to a I don't know, a canvas. Guys, I've got some canvases here right on my desk. Another part. Somehow do a background and take them out of the plastic, but somehow display them. I want to display this one. So thank you again, Sandra, for that. So this box is beautiful, guys, with the flowers. I think she's painted these flowers, and then she's matted and laid them beautifully. This one says be your own kind of beautiful, stamped on the box. Oh my goodness, I love it. And then it has some goodies in, guys. It's got a some nail varnish. That's my colour. Look, I've got pinky. Very nice, thank you. Pad removers, hand cream, a little nail file, and guys, isn't that cute? To give a little gift in. Oh, that's so cute. I love it. Thank you, Sandra.